How to fix Instagram message not sending. Hi guys, how it's going with you? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix this. Just watch this video till the end. As you know, there is a lot of people who suffer of this problem, so today I have the solution, so just follow this video till the end. So first, as you see, go and open settings of your phone, then go and open apps or applications. Here, as you see, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone, so you will search only for Instagram. When you found Instagram, just open it like this and then go to storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, and click OK. Also clear cache, and then go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now the last thing is to go into Play Store and update your Instagram if it's not updated. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.